How to add the name of the contact on an email in Mailchimp. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Open Mailchimp and go to the Campaign section. Create a new email campaign or edit an existing one. 2. Click on the text block where you want to insert the recipient's name. This is usually in the greeting, like, "Hello, name." 3. Use Mailchimp's merge tags to personalize the email. Type fname, where you want the first name to appear. 4. If you want to include the last name, use lname after the first name merge tag. Ensure that your audience list contains name fields. 5. Preview your email and test personalization by sending a test email to yourself. Mailchimp will replace the vertical bar FNAME vertical bar with the actual subscriber's name. 6. If any names are missing, check your contact list to ensure that names were collected correctly during sign-up. 7. Once everything looks good, send or schedule your email campaign. Personalized emails improve engagement and make messages feel more direct.